Hi guys, what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog and the first ever vlog of the Moving to UK series. So I'm so pumped. Oh my god, I'm so pumped. So the first moving vlog series that I ever did was when I was moving from Ahmedabad to Delhi, and you guys really enjoyed it. I showed you guys around Pearl and life at Pearl and stuff, but now I'm moving to the UK. I'm sure most of you already know, but yeah, I'm moving to the UK for a year and I thought it will be great for me to vlog all of that. Matlab packing se leke, flights and how to manage all of that, quarantine in the UK and like college and everything. So I thought it would be great for me to vlog that for you guys in case you guys are already also interested in it. I know a lot of people who are at Pearl or want to join Pearl and are very curious about the 4th year. मेरे को लगा था ये वाला video series आप लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा help करेगा. So yeah. आज का vlog is very simple. I'm basically starting to pack. So today is the 6th and I leave on the 13th. My flight is on the 13th. तो मैं अभी अपना packing start कर रही हूँ. I'm going to show you what all goes behind packing and how my room looks right now. I hate it. My mom also hates it and my mom hates me for packing so late. But yeah, I mean, better late than never. So yeah, let's go. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and this whole series. अगर आपको कोई भी questions about anything, 4th year at Pearl, flight, status, anything, leave it down below. I would love to answer that. And yeah, chalo, let's go. Okay, so the first stage of the move is packing. Barely even started packing. मतलब अभी भी पीछे उतना ही गंदा है. Like look at this whole कबाड़ा and इतना ही pack हुआ है, which means like 10 t-shirts barely, and I'm already so confused कि अब मैं और क्या डालूँ, because you know when you're packing ऐसा नहीं होता कि मतलब ये भी चाहिए होगा, अच्छा नहीं ये भी चाहिए होगा. Okay, so update. I realized कि इतना सारा सामान है जो मैं नहीं लेके जाने वाली हूँ, यहाँ पे रख के भी इसका कुछ होगा नहीं. So I got a box now and I'm making a donation pile and I'm making a trash pile. That will just help me sort of like feel less bad about not taking clothes, because then I'll be like, okay, मैं नहीं लेके जा रही, कोई और पहन लेगा. So I don't know if this happens with you also, but like it feels so weird to like not take my whole world in my suitcase. तो because मेरे तो bag में भी पूरा like मैं दुनिया लेके घूमती हूँ, तो like when I'm going, like I'm leaving my country, it feels so weird to like not take everything. So yeah, let's now go and make the donation pile. You know how there are like all of these clothes तुम देखोगे और बोलोगे हाँ मैं कभी पहनूंगी, but like you know you won't. I bought this like I don't know 2 साल पहले when cold shoulders were a thing. मैंने इसे एक बार पहना होगा, वो भी एक वीडियो के लिए. So donation pile. Feels so weird to like be putting things in the donation pile, right? Hello. Okay, so a lot has happened since I last vlogged. Last you guys saw me when I was packing and I was like हाँ मतलब you know packing हो रही है, मैं बहुत जल्दी जाऊँगी. पर उसके बाद मेरा वीज़ा नहीं आया and I almost thought कि पता नहीं वीज़ा कब आएगा, बहुत टाइम बाद जाऊँगी. हमने 2 बार टिकट्स कैंसिल कराई, एक बार 8th की एक बार 14th की, and I genuinely thought वीज़ा नहीं आने वाला है on time. But 13th को अभी like literally 2 दिन पहले वीज़ा आया. So we booked our tickets and I booked my ticket for 15th, which is today. And मेरी flight है 4:25 AM की. And right now it's like around 1:45. So I have to leave at 1 and reach the airport by 1:25, which is 3 hours before the flight, the departure time. So I thought I would restart the vlog and show you how the whole journey is. I've booked myself into Emirates and the flight time is 4:25 like I told you. And we have a layover at Dubai and I'm going to vlog all of it. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this vlog and are pumped for it. I'm going to go and quarantine with 2 of my friends, Muskan and Ananya, and I'm going to vlog all of that as well. So I hope you guys are very very pumped for this whole series because I am. And अब जल्दी से जाके luggage car में रखते हैं and let's go. So for bags, I have bag number 1, bag number 2. I also have this जिसमें मेरा सारा technology है, like laptop, Polaroid and stuff. And then I have this huge trekking bag which also has my tripod and all the excess like dry food and stuff. So that's all that I have for my luggage.
और अब ये खा, ठंडा नहीं है
फिर इतना फूड Hi guys, so here's an update. I just boarded the flight and I'm super awkward. So this is just the angle you all are gonna get from me in this vlog, in the flight at least. I've boarded and I'm here chilling and having some apple juice. What's up? Okay, so I'm at the Dubai airport right now, heading towards my gate. So basically my flight was in Ahmedabad via Dubai to Heathrow London flight. So abhi I just had breakfast, chilled at the lounge for a bit, and now I'm heading towards the gate. The boarding just started. So my journey was actually pretty smooth. Bilkul bhi like security maybe I took like 5 minutes and it was done. So yeah, it was quite cool. I just hope my immigration at London is fast because I've heard that it either takes like 15 minutes or it takes like 2 hours. So I don't know. So yeah, now I'm heading towards the flight and I'll show you how that goes also. It's still not hitting me कि मैं UK आ चुकी हूँ. I'm actually waiting for my car because I have to go to Nottingham because वहाँ पे मेरा college है. So from London I'm heading to Nottingham and I'm waiting for my car right now. I actually got lost beach में and I panicked, so I was not vlogging. But I think I know where I have to go. So I'm standing here at the arrivals lounge. And yeah, it's a 2 or 3 hour journey from the London Heathrow airport to Nottingham, where I'm living, and 2 of my friends have already arrived there, Muskan and Ananya. So I'm going to be quarantining with them. The basic protocol to quarantine over here in the UK is you have to take 3 tests. Actually 2 tests, but you can also choose to take the test to release. So I've booked my day 2 and my day 8 test, and I've also booked a test to release, which is basically a day 5 test. And yeah, so okay, now I'm just gonna like call my driver, coordinate, and head home. I'm finally in my apartment. This is the living room and this is Muskan.
Hi guys.
So like this is officially day 1 in Nottingham. Kal when I last vlogged I was in the car and it took me like 3 hours. So I boarded the car at like 2:20, 2:30 and I reached my place by 5:30. So it took me like 3 hours to come to Nottingham, but the ride was very smooth. And next time मैं बस या कोच ऐसा कुछ लूँगी ताकि I experience that part of it also. So कल मैंने ज़्यादा vlog किया नहीं because I was just trying to settle in. I was getting to know them because finally we were meeting for like on almost like the first time. So we were just like settling in and all of that. But right now it's कितने बज रहे हैं?
It's 12:30.
So it's 12:30. We woke up at around 11 because we had a long night yesterday. और अब हम करने वाले बर्तन क्योंकि हमने कल रात को खाना खा के बर्तन नहीं किए और हम ब्रेकफास्ट बनाने वाले हैं. So I thought you guys would like enjoy watching us struggle while we cook and we clean. So yeah, let's go. We're just chaos.
पानी उड़ गया. इसमें कॉस्ट्यूम
तो हमारे बर्तन धुल गए. अब हम बना रहे हैं ऑमलेट और ये हमारी मजबूरी वाली हालत इसलिए है बिकॉज हम क्वारंटीन में हैं. ये फेक क्वारंटीन जो है यूके का. तो ये अपने डे 0 पे एग्स ले आए थे. तो हमारे पास छोटा सा फ्रिज है और इस फ्रिज में हमारे पास बहुत सारे थेपले हैं और इसमें हमारे पास अंडे हैं और हमारे पास बंस है और हमारे पास
बटर है। डक एग्स तो नहीं है, ऑर्गेनिक एग्स है ब्रो, दिस इज फॉरेन एग्स। फाइनल मेन्यू, हम पोहा बना रहे हैं, ऑमलेट बना रहे हैं और हम बना रहे हैं बन भुजिया बटर। पता है वो मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था? मैं दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम। है भूख इतना बना लिया हम ब्रेड डू इट। Breakfast with a view. This is what we're having. Bun butter, omelette, Punjabi tadka, poha. She's having chai और मैं और अनन्या पी रहे हैं apple juice. Cheers to adulting, guys. Hi. Okay, so I have my test now because we're in quarantine, right? And I thought like vlogging this would also be nice because you guys will know how like the whole thing happens. So I got my day 2, day 3 and day 5 test. But they give you basically like 3 swabs and 3 test tubes, and they also give you like these envelopes to like post it in, right?
So with your mouth open wide, swab the back of your throat. अपने tonsils पे ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा और अंदर जा।
That's what she said.
Using the same swab, insert the swab into one nostril up to 3 centimeters or until you feel resistant. ये बस अंदर घुसा के 2 मिनट घुमा ले बस।
Excuse me. Oh my god. Excuse me. हम यहाँ पे स्वेट शर्ट पहन के आए, इसने जैकेट पहनी हुई है, इसने डबल कपड़े पहने हुए हैं और यहाँ पे लोग इतने छोटे छोटे स्पेगेटीज और शॉर्ट्स पहन के आते हैं, लाइक नॉट जजिंग देम, बट ये देखो इसकी हालत देखो। बट इन्हें और ऑल्सो यहाँ पे डोंट सेंड हेट टू मी क्योंकि मैंने मास्क नहीं पहना हुआ। यहाँ पे लोग सिगरेट बस रोड पे डालते हैं, लगता था कि यूके इतना साफ होगा और यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा,
बट इट इज क्वाइट क्लीन। अगर हम ऐसे सोचे ना कि ये लोग इतना फ्रीली कूड़ा फेंक रहे हैं, उस हिसाब से काफी क्लीन है।
हाँ, पर मतलब लिटरली जैसे अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे हर जगह सिगरेट बात और कोक की कैन्स और दारू की बोतल हर जगह पड़ी हुई है, पर यहाँ पे सुबह पोछा लगता है
यहाँ पे
street
ना
पे।
after 11 you will see people walking on the street and they're like we're all drunk.
They're drunk and just walking. Yeah, they're just like, oh, look, pretty. Oh shit, हम इंडिया में नहीं है, बीच सड़क पे घूम रहे हैं। ओ ये रहा पोस्ट बॉक्स।
हाँ गीज मत फेंक दियो अपनी
ऐसे।
Did they get it? कुछ तो बोलते हैं।
Look at this castle, so pretty.
That's like the total of Arushi's personality.
Wow, you summed up my personality in hopping like a rabbit.
Maybe that means you hop from people.
Fingers got savage. Oh God. तो अभी this is how my room looks, ठीक है? It's very plain. I'll give you a room tour later on. But अब हम ये कर रहे हैं LED lights. ये वाले मैंने Amazon से खरीदे, तो अब हम इसे कॉन्फ़िगर बोल रही हूँ, इसे सेटअप कर रहे हैं और इसलिए हम ये YouTube वीडियो देख रहे हैं। हो गया? मुझे कूल लग रहा है। तो प्लीज
मेरा लैपटॉप में छोड़ो मैं पीट दूंगा।
बस कॉर्नर में ऐसे लगा देंगे।
अब हम ट्रिप कराएंगे इसको।
पाड़े। सो इट्स डन। और क्योंकि हम फ्रेशर्स के टाइम पे क्वारंटीन में, हम यहीं पे क्लब की फीलिंग ले रहे हैं। ये हमारा क्लब है और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है। हाय गाइस, इन लोगों का आ गया है डे 2 का कोविड रिजल्ट and I'm vlogging it because it is a very monumental and pivotal moment. अब हमें पता पड़ेगा कि इनको कोविड है या नहीं। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप, शाम है कहीं है धुआं पर जी भर जियो,
दारू पीते रहो।
अब बताओ तुम्हें कोविड है कि नहीं है? मैं भागू या ना भागू, मास्क पहनूं ना पहनूं, कुछ तो बताओ गाइस। अब पता पड़ेगा कि मुझे मास्क पहनना है कि नहीं पहनना है इनके सामने। गाइस जल्दी बताओ। ऑल्सो गाइस यूके में बहुत कूल चीज है, तुम स्कूटी रेंट करके ना साथ में घूम सकते हो।
ब्रूम ब्रूम। Where is the scooty now?
So today is the 20th of September. I've been in quarantine for 5 days. I just got done posting my test release test, which is basically the day 5 test. मेरे day 2 test का results आ गए थे and of course they were negative. And day 5 test मैंने अभी post किया है, so this is all that work. And I just realized that I had my first class, which was the induction at 10. So my friends were kind enough to like go to the post box and like post my test till I like joined class. So that was nice. I love them. But right now, actually, this is my first ever lecture. I'm attending my first ever lecture. This is not exactly a lecture. This whole week is called Freshers Week or the Induction Week, where we're introduced to everyone who's going to teach us, our peers, and from tomorrow we have physical classes. Sadly, because I don't have my test release result yet, I won't be able to go. But we have icebreaker sessions and everything from tomorrow. That seems very exciting. But yeah, that's the update for now. I might just end the vlog over here and post more vlogs, like when I'm going to set up my room and the first time I go to university and all of that. So I really hope you guys are very excited for those vlogs and are looking forward to them. I hope these vlogs are interesting and something new for you guys on this channel. And yeah, with that, I think I'll end this video over here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, like, bell button, all of that jazz. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.